What's good, guys? So if you have a vehicle and you want to upgrade your lighting, your headlamps, then this is something you may want to consider. These are aftermarket H7 LED headlights, 110 watts. There are two of them. They plug right in, but you would definitely want to make sure that these will plug in. It came with a instruction manual that tells you exactly how to install these. There you go. 30,000 hour rating because they're LED. Color temperature, they come in 343 6000K. This is the 6000K series, so it's more of a bluish light, which is amazing because it looks newer. It's going to operate at -40 to 105 Celsius, and of course there's a built-in fan cooling right in here. That's why there's a little sound that you hear when you turn these on. Now those little grids are there to help it cool. Again, it's made of aviation grade aluminum, and well, I mean, the whole thing is pretty good. These are the LEDs right there. Let's turn these on. So we're going to be only turning one of these on. We are using just a jump starter to do that. All we have to do is clip the positive and the negative right here and then turn off the lights. All right, so we've clicked this on. That's still off because we have to press this button right over here. So we're going to turn off our lights and we're going to activate that. Okay, that's on. That's off. And now the lights should turn on. If I did this correctly. If I didn't, then I did not do this correctly. Okay, so this is on. You definitely want to not keep this on any materials because, as you can see, it will set it on fire. Even though they're not super hot, when you touch the LED, you can see the smoke, right? I already made a burn. So they are hot. You can also feel, sorry guys, I just got to press the button here. Cut this out. You can also, so the smoke is because I put this on the comforter and it already burnt it. But you can see maybe a little fan at the bottom there. But you can definitely hear it. But look how bright this is. And this is just one. Right? And the light is still spread so you can see in behind. But of course this would be enclosed and all of the light would be going straight forward. And this is just one. So do I recommend these? Absolutely. For the price and the quality, I absolutely like these. We already put these in. We just took them out so we can make the video. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your projects.